In this video, I'll show you how to sign in to your eFootball 2026 account quickly and easily. First, open the eFootball 2026 app on your device. Once the game loads, tap Extras and then select Support. Next, tap Link KONAMI ID. If you already have a KONAMI ID, enter your email address and password to log in. If you don't have one yet, choose Register and create a new KONAMI ID first. I have already logged in KONAMI ID, so I cannot log in. After signing in, you may receive a verification code by email. Enter the code to complete the login process if prompted. Your eFootball account will now be linked successfully, and your game progress will be saved to your KONAMI ID. If you're having trouble signing in, make sure you're using the correct email and password, check your internet connection, and verify that you're logging into the same KONAMI ID linked to your game account.